हेलो एवरीवन। करंट अफेयर्स 2022 एस टू 2023 एसएससी पार्ट 2 के लिए का हार्दिक स्वागत है। आज हम आगे के क्वेश्चन करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स के। क्वेश्चन नंबर 51, आईएनएस विक्रांत इंडिया फर्स्ट होम बिल्ट एयरक्राफ्ट कैरियर वॉज फॉर्मली कमीशन एट। आंसर इज कोचिन शिपयार्ड लिमिटेड। Question number 52. Oscar-winning music icon Blanks recently had the honor of getting Canada Markham City Street named after him. Answer is A.R. Rahman. Question number 53. Starbucks has appointed its new Indian origin Chief Executive Officer (CEO). Answer is Lakshman Narasimha. Question number 54. Who has elected as new president of the All India Football Federation? Answer is Kalyan Chaube. Question number 55. Which bank has partnered with ADB to support supply chain financing? Answer is Indus Bank. Question number 56. Which state has launched the Rural Backyard Piggery Scheme? Answer is Meghalaya. Question number 57. B. Sheikh Ali passed away recently. He was a famous historian. Question number 58. India's first ever night sky sanctuary to be set up in. Answer is Ladakh. Question number 59. The book Divorce and Democracy, A History of Personal Law in Post-Independence India talk about family law, religions and gender politics in India is written by. Answer is Soumya Saxena. Question number 60. Blanks become first village in Uttar Pradesh to have RO water in every household. Answer is Bartol. Question number 61. Who won the Emmy Awards for his narration in the Netflix documentary Our Great National Park? Answer is Barack Obama. Question number 62. Teachers Day or Shikshak Divas observed on which day? Answer is 5th September. Question number 63. Teachers Day or Shikshak Divas marks the birthday of the country's first vice president. Answer is Dr. Sarvepalli Radhakrishna. Question number 64. The International Day of Charity is observed on. Answer is September 5. Question number 65. Who has been appointed as new CEO Sansad TV? Answer is Utpal Kumar Singh. Question number 66. Who has been appointed as new chairman and managing director of Shipping Corporation of India Limited? Answer is Binesh Kumar Tyagi. Question number 67. The recently proposed Dark Sky Reserve will be located at Henal in Ladakh is a part of. Answer is Changtang Wildlife Sanctuary. Question number 68. What is the theme of National Teachers Day 2022? Answer is Leading in Crisis, Reimagining the Future. Question number 69. Amit Shah launched 36 National Games athletes and mascot in. Answer is Ahmedabad. Question number 70. Which state UT to host first ever Mountain Bicycle World Cup? Answer is Ladakh. Question number 71. खाली जगह has topped among all ministry and departments in resolving public grievance for the month of August 2022. Answer is Unique Identification Authority of India. Question number 72. Which company has unveiled India's first LNG full green truck by launching a manufacturing plant at Chakan in Pune? Answer is Blue Energy Motors. Question number 73. Which state government has launched in e-governance portal Samarth? Answer is Uttarakhand. Question number 74. Which company has signed an MOU with UK-based Smith Detection to offer advanced high-energy scanning system to the Indian market? Answer is Bharat Electronics Limited. Question number 75. Supreme Court Judge Justice D.Y. Chandrachud has been appointed as the next executive chairperson of the. Answer is Nalsa. Question number 76. Who has won the Dutch Formula 1 Grand Prix 2022? Answer is Max Verstappen. Question number 77. Question number 77. Sorry. Indian Institute of Technology Madras researchers along with Inspire Institute of Sports are developing a cost-effective analytics platform to improve the medal tally for which sport at the 2024 Olympics? Answer is boxing. Question number 78. The government of India has announced to change the name of Rajpath and Central Vista Lawns in. Answer is Kartavya Path. Question number 79. Who has been recently conferred the title of Honorary General of the Nepali Army by Nepal President Vidya Devi Bhandari in Kathmandu? Answer is General Manoj Pandey. Question number 80. Tamil Nadu Mercantile Bank Limited has announced the appointment of blanks as the Managing Director and CEO. Answer Krishnan Sankara Subramaniam. Question number 81. Which state has been set up country first biovillage recognized by an international group? Answer is Tripura. Question number 82. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has announced a new initiative, the development and upgradation of blanks school across the country under the Pradhan Mantri School for Rising India PM Shri Yojana. Answer is 14,500 schools. Question number 83. Which bank has been selected by RBI for the test phase of the on-tape application facility? Answer is HDFC Bank. Question number 84. Who wins Dubai Open Chess Tournament? Answer is Arvind Chidambaram. Question number 85. On the occasion of Teachers' Day, President Draupadi Murmu has honored blank selected teachers from across the country with National Award at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. Answer is 45. Question number 86. Which bank has introduced a new SMS banking facility for its customer recently? Answer is HDFC Bank. Question number 87. According to which Indian bank India would surpass Germany in 2027 and Japan by 2029 at the current rate of growth and become the world's third largest economy? Answer is State Bank of India. Question number 88. As part of the financial inclusion drive, public sector banks will open 300 branches in unbanked areas of various states by answer is December 2022. Question number 89. Kicha Sudeep has been appointed as brand ambassador of Punyakoti Dutta Yojana. Punyakoti Dutta is a scheme of which state? Answer is Karnataka. Question number 90. India cricketer Suresh Raina has announced its retirement from all forms of cricket including IPL. For which team Raina has played in IPL? Answer is Chennai Super King. Question number 91. International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies is observed every year on which day? Answer is 7 September. Question number 92. What is the theme of International Day of Clean Air for Blue Skies 2022? Answer is the air we share. Question number 93. Which boat club has scripted its maiden triumph in the Nehru Trophy boat race? Answer is Mahadevi Kadu Katil Thakel Chandan Club. Question number 94. Who has won the gold medal in the Malaysia age group rapid chess championship in Kuala Lumpur? Answer is Anishika Biryani. Question number 95. The Competition Commission of India has approved the acquisition of BillDesk by which companies for $4.7 billion in September 2022? Answer is PayU. Question number 96. According to the 28th edition of the status report on India's external debt 2021 to 2022, the external debt as a ratio to gross domestic product GDP is blanks as of March 2022. Answer is 19.9%. Question number 97. According to the Niti Aayog report titled Preserving Progression on Nutrition in India Poshan Abhiyan in Pandemic Times, which state ranked first in largest state category in terms of overall implementation of the center's flagship Poshan Abhiyan? Answer is Maharashtra. Question number 98. Blanks ranks at the top in the number of disposal and entry of cases through the e-prosecution portal managed by the Union government under its Digital India mission. Answer is Uttar Pradesh. Question number 99. Who has awarded with the annual Sahitya Puraskar of the Loknayak Foundation 18th Loknayak Foundation Award? Answer is Tanikela Bharani. Question 100. Mahanagar Gas Limited has appointed as the company new chairman. Answer is Mahesh Vishwanath Iyer. थैंक यू. आगे 2-3 दिन बाद हम लूसेंट की जीके ऑब्जेक्टिव स्टार्ट करेंगे. 626 पेज है. ओ थैंक यू.